Hey, how you guys doing today at the last coat? This is Tim from Agra, Oklahoma. We're taking a video of the 50th anniversary Camaro that we have here, my wife's car. And there's a picture of the shine that I've got. We just had about 2 inches of rain here, and all I did was take the last coat and I applied it to a microfiber rag and just wiped it down. It took all the rain spots off, and it brought the shine really back to original, better than original actually. Again, this is our 50th anniversary 2017 Camaro 2SS, and we want to say thank you to the last coat.